Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your life very well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel SHA Foods. Today I am back with a new video and a new recipe. So today I will teach you how to make potato fry at home in just 3 minutes. Here you can see I have taken 3 potatoes. I have peeled them well. Now we will take a clean bowl and put the potatoes in it. Then we will wash them well. Now we will add some water to the pot. We have to wash the potatoes thoroughly so that not a single bit of soil remains. We have washed them well. You can see how clean the potatoes are. Now we will cut the potatoes with the help of a cutter. Here you can see how I cut the potatoes. We neither cut the potatoes too thinly nor too thickly. If we cut the potatoes thickly, the potato will not be digested properly. Now we have to wash the cut potatoes well. After washing the potatoes well, we will dry them and take them out on a plate. After removing to a plate, you can see how clean the potatoes are. Now we come to the stove. We will cook the potatoes on low flame. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of oil in the fry pan, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chopped red pepper, 1 tablespoon of curry spices and half tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. Now we will roast the spices well. We have to fry the red chilies well so that the spiciness of the chilies is gone. Now we will add the chopped potatoes to it. We have to add potatoes little by little. You don't put the potatoes together. We have to mix the potatoes well so that our spice gets on each piece of potatoes. Only then will each piece of our potato have flavor. Now we will cover the potatoes and cook on the low flame for 15 minutes. Here you can see that after 15 minutes our potatoes are cooked well. I will show you the potatoes in a dish. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Here you can see how beautiful potatoes are. All this is the blessing of my Allah. This was our today's recipe. I will meet you in the next video inshallah. Before leaving, please like my video and subscribe to my channel SHA Food.